Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one, we have the negative. We can do about factorization. We know that this one is about trigonometric identity, so we put about number 1. Next, we need to divide both sides by dx. Next, I will move about negative 3x squared go to the right. Next, we need to divide both sides by x minus 1. We see that we have original function and first derivative of the function. We can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s. So that should be about e to the power of the integration, and the mu s, that's about 1 over s minus 1 in here. This one we have ln of s minus 1, and we have s minus 1 in here. That means we need to multiply both sides by s minus 1. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we apply about the product rule of derivative. So first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v, later that first derivative of v multiplied by u. If we do this integration, we have y equals to uv. So for this one, we will have about y multiplied by s minus 1. The integration of 3x squared, we have s to the power of 3 plus c. Later that, we divide both sides by s minus 1. So we have the conditions. When s equal to number 2, y equal to 1 over 2. So we put the value in here to find the value of c. Two minus 1, you got about number 1. So we have c. This one you got about number 8. So we put number 8 go to the left. And we have negative 15 over 2 equal to c. So we put this value go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.